이 가수는 처음 들어보는데 다들 이 공연이 심사위원들과 관객들을 완전히 놀라게 했다고 하더라고요. 그래서 오늘 처음으로 소양의 노래를 들어보는데 앞으로 펼쳐질 행복에 대한 준비가 전혀 안 된 것 같아요. 첫인상은 차분하고 겸손해 보이네요. 과한 연극적인 모습도 없고 지나친 자신감도 없어요. 보통 이런 모습은 한 가지를 의미하죠. 가수가 중요한 공연을 앞두고 이렇게 편안해 보이면 그 공연은 아주 평범하거나 아니면 완전히 미쳤을 가능성이 커요. 잠깐만요. 어조가 벌써 달라졌네요. 단순한 힘이 아니라 절제미, 따뜻함, 그리고 감정까지 첫 줄부터 느껴져요. 이렇게 초반부터 깊이 있는 감정을 느낄 줄은 몰랐어요. 와, 정말 힘을 아끼고 있네요. 알아보면 아직 완성된 모습이 아닌 것 같아요. 전환이 얼마나 깔끔한지 들어보세요. 전혀 무리하지 않고 억지로 힘을 주지도 않았어요. 정말 대단해요. 그냥 고음이 아니라 완벽하게 지지되고 울림이 풍부하고 절제된 고음이에요. 이제 심사위원들이 왜 그런 표정을 짓는지 알겠네요. 저들의 표정을 보세요. 저건 예의상 박수가 아니라 충격이에요. 전문가들이 심사를 멈추고 팬처럼 반응하게 되는 그런 공연이죠. 그녀는 단순히 음표를 부르는 게 아니라 이야기를 들려주고 있어요. 그리고 가장 놀라운 건 여전히 아무런 노력 없이 자연스럽게 들린다는 거예요.
Alright, wow, honestly, don't even know what to say right now. Soyang is just on another level. That wasn't just singing. That was pure emotion, control, and power all wrapped into one performance. The way she builds up so calmly and then but explode with those, it gives you chills. Her techniques is insane, but what really gets me is how she makes you feel every single lyric. Even if you don't understand the language, this is why she's considered one of the best vocalists in the world. No overdoing it, no showing off, just raw talent. Just raw talents and passion. Massive respect to Soyang, seriously. If you enjoy this, alright, I need the moment that right there was not just a performance, that was an experience. Soyang is honestly something else. Everything I think I've heard it all. She comes in and completely resets my expectation of what a human voice can do. The control she has is unreal. From the softest, most delicate moment to those powerful soaring high notes, it's effortless, and that's the scary part. She's not forcing anything. She's not trying to impress. She's just being the music. You can hear years and years of discipline, training, and passion in every single note. What really hits me the most is emotion. Even if you don't understand a single word she's singing, you feel it. That's a true artist. That's someone who can cross language barriers, cultures, and still speak directly to your soul. Her vocal tells a story all on its own. And let's talk about the climax, because wow, the build up, the restraint, and then that release chills, literal chills, that the kinds of performance that makes you stop that you're doing and just listen to distractions. No skipping ahead, just respect. This is exactly why Soyoung is considered one of the greatest vocalists not just in Korea but in the world. She doesn't rely on flashy visual or overproduction. Her voice is the main instrument and she masters it like no one else. You can tell she's singing this with purpose, faith, and heart, and that makes all the difference. I'm genuinely grateful I got to experience this with you all. A moment like this are the reason I love doing reaction video. Um, Discovering or visiting artists like Soyoung reminds me why music is so powerful and universal. If you enjoy this reaction, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you're new here, and welcome to the family. And definitely let me know in the comment which Soyoung performance should react to next. Alright, I'm not even exaggerating when I say that performance like this are the reason music exists. That was just something you hear, it's something you carry with you. Soyoung didn't just sing a song, she poured her entire soul into it. What's amazed me the most is her restraint. A lot of singers can be loud, a lot of singers can be hit high notes, but very few know when not to. Soyoung understands silence, space, and timing. She lets the emotion breathe. She lets the music speak before she never pushes her voice, and that takes a confidence at the highest level. You can hear the intention behind every phrase. Nothing is random. Everything breath, every run, every dynamic shift is deliberate. That's mastery. That's someone who has complete command over their instrument and chooses to use it to serve the song, not their ego. And emotionally, man, you don't need subtitle. You don't need explanation. You just feel it in your chest. Her voice carries pain, hope, strength, vulnerability all at once. That rare. That's what separates a great singer from a legendary one. This performance also reminds me how powerful Korean vocalists are on a global level. There's so much on visuals and trends in today's music, but Soyoung stands as proof that raw talent, discipline, and heart will always stand the test of time. No gimmicks, just pure artistry. I also love how she stays grounded while delivering something so massive. There's humility in their presence. She's not chasing applause, as she's sharing something sacred, and as a listener, you feel honored just to be in that moment. Thank you so much.